Hi, good afternoon. This is Jocelyn from Eugene'sBest.tv, and I do have a pleasure of introducing Alyssa Dean, and of course with my co-host Alicia from World Venture Dream Trips. But anyway, today it's not about us, but it's about you. Are you the kind of person who wants to hear what you want to hear, or you are the kind of person who wants to hear the truth? So let's find out.
Thank you so much for having me on your show. When Alicia had called me and said that she wanted to spotlight what I do and how I help people on your show as part of Eugene's Best, I was delighted because I can help people not only here in Eugene but all across the country. So yeah, take it away, girl.
Thank you. Yeah, so how I actually met Elisa was actually, believe it or not, through Ladies Lunch and Learn here in Eugene. It's a fantastic little group that we have here, started by Jeannie Marr. And I don't know, as soon as I saw you, Elisa, I fell in love with just the concept of you, and then getting to know you. Everything I thought that you would be was just awesome. You got in front of everyone, you were very positive, and I was just like, I need to be friends with that girl. And since I've met her, she's changed some of the way that I do things by giving me some helpful tips in life, and just to really help drive home just healthier habits and everything. And so I thought, what better way to say thank you than ask you to be on the show, because I feel you really are the best here in Eugene for Take Shape for Life and everything. We're doing some cool challenges and everything, and so I really wanted to bring you on here so that we could share this with everyone. So tell us a little bit about yourself and what brought you to Take Shape for Life.
That is such a good question. A little bit about me. I grew up with obesity being a big problem in my life. I've lost and gained so much weight so many times over and over again, and I just really could never get my habits healthy. I knew that if I could change the 6 inches here, then I would change the 6 inches here, right? And boy, have I done that. But I did it by partnering and learning from a doctor, and this is the book that we coach to. So we coach to habits of health. So what I loved about this doctor was that he explained why we struggle so much as Americans, Alicia. And that's really some of the things that I've helped you with, is just to ask you the questions so that you are creating the life you want. It's not about me. I just plug people into the resources that this brilliant man created for us to use. I'm an entrepreneur by spirit, by nature, I think you could say. So I was in corporate America managing a Jenny Craig franchise when I first learned about Take Shape for Life. And I thought the name was so weird, to tell you the truth, because I wanted a diet. I still wanted just a diet to lose my weight. And I knew that the nutrition program that Take Shape for Life used, I knew that my doctor had told me about it. I knew that I had clients from Jenny Craig that I was losing to this program because it worked better. And so I was curious. And the day that my paycheck bounced out of my checking account, Alicia, as a single mom, my paycheck bounced out of my checking account. And the day before, I had been invited up to Portland to see and meet Dr. Anderson. And so I took that as a sign, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go. And so I drove up there on a school night with my daughter. She was about, she was about 13 or 14 at the time. She's almost 17 now. And Dr. Anderson asked me, why did I drive to Portland on a school night with my daughter? And I knew that that was a man that could be an incredible mentor to me. And I knew it was a man that when he asked me, do you want to link arms? I told him, I said, you know, my paycheck bounced, and so suddenly my security is gone. And he asked me what kind of an impact I wanted to have. And many of you who know me, I've always been an encouraging type person, and that's a gift that I have. But I never had the tools until I started learning them this way. So that's how I got introduced and started with Take Shape for Life. I think that the name now is so empowering to help people really learn how to take shape of their life, to take control over it. So when I started working with you, Alicia, and this is really with anyone, is we just simply have a well-being assessment. This I email to you, or I can text it to you, and then it emails me right back. And the reason why we use this is because we're helping make people make changes in their life. It is not always going to be easy, and you guys have seen me fall down and struggle, and you've all watched me on social media lose 73 pounds in the last year, and I still I'm working on that last 25. But we all start at the same place on our journey, and because Take Shape for Life looks at the whole life, and not just a number on a scale, we are helping people ditch the diets and say yes to creating the health that they want. So we start with this. Somebody does a self-evaluation, and we just talk about it, and we go over it. And then we ask if how we coach and the material that we coach with is a good fit to help you transform your life. Yes. Some people say yes, some people say that they're not ready, and it's okay because there's no strings attached. Like, how do you sell health? You can't. So what we do, and with Dr. Anderson's leadership, is help someone awaken their intrinsic motivation. Help them to discover, what would it mean to you if you lived a life that you were really proud of? What would it mean to you if you were saying yes to yourself, to the goals that you have, to the dreams that you have? Maybe it's the financial aspect. We help so many people in the financial aspect. So, for those of you who see this video and are moved by this post, I have a goodie sack for you. And the girls did not know that I was gonna do this, but this is what's gonna be in your goodie sack. This is a coaster. Now, this coaster has my info on the back of it, but it's about Discover Your Optimal Health, and I can email you this free ebook from Dr. Anderson. So, you can either coast through life, ladies, or you can take control of it, right? So here's some sticky notes. And these sticky notes represents sticking to it, putting a positive affirmation here, sticking it on your dashboard, making a love note to someone that you care about their health and well-being, and paying it forward. So sticky notes represent stick to it, just sticking to whatever it is that you decide to create for yourself with our help. Yes. And then here's my business card. There's that infamous picture. This picture is swimsuit on the left, March of 2015, and swimsuit on the right, March, same date, 2016, 1 year later. Always taken at the gym that I work out at Oakway Fitness. And there you have it. So keep watching that. And then Jocelyn and Lindsay, the last thing that I want to show people is this pin. So you'll get this little pin if you want to talk further. The pin is to remind you that you're not alone, and that Dr. Anderson has built an incredible grassroots community that I guarantee you one of these days is going to be a household name here soon. We are on a huge mission to restore health and hope to Americans because we don't have it. We've lost it. We're too busy. We're too teched in. And people are looking for more health in their life, more well-being. So this represents that you really can write your own story, and you can also write your own paycheck. If you're interested in health and well-being, let's have a conversation, because we can link arms and partner with you. You'll just learn the exact same tips that I've been learning, and paying them forward is really such a blessing.
Yes. One quick question, one more before we head off here.
Okay.
How you kind of went over some of the aspects of Take Shape for Life and why it's different, but we want to know very specifically why it's different than all of the other things out there. Why is it different from just so many? There's so many options. Why is this better? Why is it different?
Well, I believe that we coach to behavioral changes. We are led by one of the nation's top 10 doctors. He was the top of his class in medical school. When this man left critical care and wrote these books, they went New York Times bestsellers just because of who he is in the medical industry. So the psychology behind our program is why it works. People are lonely. They want a sense of community.
Yes.
And having a health coach is just somebody who's a guide, guiding you through the process. So it works because we have a doctor's call every week. It works because we have a nurse's support call every week. It works because we have the health coach.
Yes.
It works because we have Dr. Anderson's books on how really to make changes. And it works because if you want to lose some weight, our nutrition program is hands down the best. And if you are already at a healthy weight, but you don't eat healthy, we can help you with that too. It works because you can sync your Fitbit and send it to your health coach. It works because we do it in a fun way, and it works because we're awakening your desire to do it for yourself. We're not dragging people along. We're working with the ones that are ready to take over their life and take shape of it.
Oh yes. Thank you so much for being on the show today. We really appreciate it. Is there anything else that you might want to say or add? I know that you have a big heart for a lot of causes and everything. Is there a shout out that you might want to give to some causes that is close and near and dear to your heart?
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so my kids and I decided one of our habits of change is we want to take a trip to Africa someday. And so I want to give a shout out to my friend Anita Gray in Seattle, Washington, who developed an organization called Volunteers for Sustainability. We'll make sure that you have that. Volunteers for Sustainable Development in Uganda. And my kids and I decided to adopt a little African girl, and we've been able to put her through school, and we feed her each month. And you know, for $30 a month, many of you guys are spending that. I used to spend that eating out. $15 a lunch, and I was getting fatter because of it too. So when I wanted to make a change, I looked at where could I spend that money? Who else could I feed with that? And those are the things that we start to do. The other thing I want to give a shout out to is my personal foundation, which is called Dream Oh So Big. And recently I lost another friend to suicide this week. And originally my nonprofit, DreamOhSoBig.com, was inspired and started because of a dream that I had of a friend that I lost 6 years ago to suicide. And so one of my goals and passions and mission is to really be there for the downhearted people, to be there for the people that in your life that you know that are depressed. If you don't know how to have a conversation with them, it's okay. I do, and I'm willing to do it because every single life matters. And if we perform random acts of kindness and sweet things, if we are present and in the moment with each other, then I really think that we can stop people feeling that suicide is an answer. And I think that we can just talk about it bravely and with courage and compassion. So check out that website if you want. It does need some updates on it, but Oso was my nickname from that friend of mine that passed away 6 years ago. And so those are a couple things that are near and dear to me.
Thank you for sharing that. Even that very tender subject that you just shared with us. Thank you. But we thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you for having the big heart that you do. Thank you for just being you. I'm just so glad that that we get to have this time together, and that I know you. I feel very blessed. And I think Jocelyn feels the same way.
Well, anytime that we get to share and spread the word and give Americans hope, that is our tagline. And so I'm going to wrap it up with a pretty little bow like Dr. Anderson always says, and let's go get America healthy.
Yeah.
Let's go get it.
Let's go get America healthy.
Thank you both, ladies.
Thank you for
coming. All right. Thank you.
And thank you for watching.
Bye.
All right. Bye.
Okay, now we want